Welcome to our channel Bright Mass. The image of a point in a plane. The image v vector of a point u vector is given by v vector equal to u vector plus 2 into p minus u vector dot n vector divided by modulus n vector square into n vector. Next, meeting point of a line and a plane. The meeting point is u vector equal to a vector plus p minus a vector dot n vector divided by b vector dot n vector into b vector. Now let us see the problems. Find the image of the point whose position vector is I plus 2j plus 3k in the plane r vector dot I plus 2j plus 4k equal to 38. First write the formula. The position vector of the image of the point u vector and the plane r vector dot n vector equal to p is v vector equal to u vector plus 2 into p minus u vector dot n vector divided by modulus n vector square into n vector. So here the question is find the image. So remember this image formula. Here u vector is the point and n vector is the vector given in the plane and p is the perpendicular distance. So see the given, compare and take it. This u vector is the point. So the given point is I plus 2j plus 3k. And see the vector equation. It is of the form r vector dot n vector equal to p. So comparing this, here this is n vector. So n vector equal to I plus 2j plus 4k equal to right hand side this number is the perpendicular distance p. So p equal to 38. Now we have all the informations. Just substitute in the formula and simplify, we can get the answer. So this is equal to u vector I plus 2j plus 3k plus 2 into p value 38 minus u vector dot n vector. This is u vector dot this is n vector divided by modulus n vector square. So divided by modulus n vector. Taking modulus of this n vector, this is root of 1 square 1 plus 2 square 4 plus 4 square 16 whole power 2 into n vector, that is I plus 2j plus 4k. Now this is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k plus 2 into 38 minus, taking dot product of this, 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 2 4 plus 3 into 4 12 divided by, adding this we get root 21 whole square. That means we can cancel this square and square root. So just add this number and write it, that is 21 into I plus 2j plus 4k. So this is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k plus 2 into 38 minus this is 17 whole divided by 21 into I plus 2j plus 4k. So that is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k plus 2 into 38 minus 17 is 21 divided by 21 into I plus 2j plus 4k. Here we can cancel 21. So this is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k plus 21 is cancelled. This 2 multiply inside the bracket, that is 2i plus 2 into 2 4j plus 2 into 4 8k. Now the final answer is that I plus 2i is 3i, 2j plus 4j is plus 6j, 3k plus 8k is plus 11k. So the answer 3i plus 6j plus 11k. Next problem, find the coordinates of the point where the straight line r vector equal to 2i minus j plus 2k plus t into 3i plus 4j plus 2k intersects the plane x minus y plus z minus 5 equal to 0. Here also first write the formula. The position vector of the point of intersection of the line r vector equal to a vector plus t into b vector, and the plane r vector dot n vector equal to p is u vector equal to a vector plus p minus a vector dot n vector divided by b vector dot n vector into b vector. The line is taken as r vector equal to a vector plus t into b vector. So first compare this line. Here a vector is 2i minus j plus 2k and the b vector is 3i plus 4j plus 2k. Next the plane is taken as r vector dot n vector equal to p. This is in vector form, but in question it is given in Cartesian form. From that also we can take the vector very easily. This x, y, z numbers only vector, that is 1i minus 1j plus 1k, and this last constant take it right side, it will become plus 5, that is only p value. So compare this equation equal to p. So we must have equal to that constant, that is only the value of p. So from the plane equation we have the vector n vector equal to I minus j plus k, and here the constant is equal to 5. So that 5 is the p value. Now we have all the values, just substitute in the formula and simplify, we can get the answer. So this is equal to a vector 2i minus j plus 2k plus bracket p value 5 minus a vector dot n vector. This is a vector dot this is n vector divided by b vector dot n vector. Here this is b vector dot this is n vector into b vector, that is 3i plus 4j plus 2k. Now this is equal to 2i minus j plus 2k plus 5 minus, taking dot product of this, 2 into 1 2 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 2 into 1 2 divided by denominator also we have to take dot product, that is 3 into 1 3, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, 2 into 1 2 into 3i plus 4j plus 2k. So this is equal to 2i minus j plus 2k plus 5 minus, adding this bracket we get 5 divided by denominator adding the numbers we get 1 into the vector is 3i plus 4j plus 2k. And here note that this 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So we get 2i minus j plus 2k plus the next term is 0. Therefore, the final answer is 2i minus j plus 2k. This is the position vector. The question is find the coordinates. That means take and write this numbers only within bracket. Here the numbers are 2, minus 1, 2. So take and write the numbers. That is the line intersects the plane at the point 2, minus 1, 2. This is the answer. Thanks for watching.